let's have it out of the box and see what we're dealing with here. So this battery is manufactured in China, but this one arrived from their German warehouse. So that is that didn't take that long actually, and I was able to plan this perfectly with the company. Whoa, this is nice. Look at that. The manual and instructions comes in a plastic bag with a little zip tie where you can open and close it. I've never seen that before. That's a very nice detail. We'll have a look at this later. It says 25.6 volt, 100 amp hours, lithium iron phosphate battery. So my memory served me quite well, and that is LiFePO4. What is that? That is curious. What can that be? Looks like it's the battery screws for connecting your okay, so it's terminal screws, and black and red for the pole. Tear me off. Why? I don't get it. Okay, but there is the very large battery. Looks very nice. And this side, it's not upside down, it's actually located correctly. So yeah, and this is about 21 kilograms, so it's one of the heavier ones, and the terminals are protected here, so shouldn't be able to do anything stupid right away. 24 volts is not enough to do any bad things on your skin, so that part is okay. Don't put your tongue on that. Let's lift this out of here, and to have the box come off. Oh. So this is what the big battery looks like close up and personal, and it very clearly says what it can do here. It contains 2560 watt hours. That is quite a bit, so pretty nice. There is not a whole lot to it. It's a battery, and it doesn't really show the voltage or anything. It's some very colorful labeling that they have picked here, so apparently that might be their company slogan: younger, bolder and stronger. Younger, bolder, stronger. That's nice. So carrying handles, and yeah, I'm sure for the 21 kilograms this is very good. And you can remove this. I see you can disassemble it by taking this plastic thing out if you don't want that, and you can reattach it later. So that's a nice feature.